Hi Choice family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making a sweet flavored chicken wings made with honey and lots of spices. So guys, I'll list all the ingredients I use on this chicken wings, so do not forget to check on my description box to see the ingredients I use on this chicken wings. Guys, it was really tasty. Give it a try. So guys, after marinating the chicken, I just boom into the oven straight away. The kids wanted it so badly, so I didn't marinate it, but it tastes really good.